If you're searching for an industrial heater that provides directional warmth wherever you need it, then I've got just the thing. This 3kW swivel infrared heater from HSS has a 180 degree rotational head that directs warmth onto precise areas, allowing you to focus on cold spots or tackle moisture lurking in awkward locations. The head itself is fitted with two individual 1.5kW quartz halogen lamps with clips that absorb kinetic energy, giving longer life to the elements. And you can choose between either 1.5kW or 3kW heat outputs by altering the settings on the top of the device. The halogen lamps are shielded by a fine mesh grille that allows heat to move away from the unit freely and makes it safe to use in public spaces or indoors. Perhaps the most notable feature is the parabolic reflector. This technology collects and emits heat up to 6 meters away, providing plenty of power to localize energy on curing paints, dyes, fiberglass, or any materials that need drying quickly. The versatile swivel head is mounted into a frame made of lightweight yet robust steel, making it perfect for manoeuvring between jobs, especially given that there are also 4 swivel castors on the base of the unit. The 2 rear castors are also lockable, so you can stop the heater from rolling away on uneven surfaces. The HSS infrared heater is available in a 240 volt version that plugs into a standard 13 amp power socket. There's also a 110 volt version that must be powered from the mains via a suitable 110 volt transformer. One more thing, if you're using the swivel head in the down position, make sure not to aim it at carpets or any other heat sensitive surfaces. It's a fire risk and could cause some expensive damage. For more information about our swivel infrared heaters and to browse our full range of tools and equipment, head over to hss.com.